Glade Run Lutheran Services provides an array of mental health services and education services in the community setting. The goal is to keep families intact together in the community that they live, work, and play.
We've evolved over the last 168 years to be a leading provider of mental health, autism, educational, and unique therapeutic offerings.
We have a wide range of programs for people in the community, serving almost 4,000 or more people a year on campus and off-site. We do a lot of counseling and therapy work for people, and we also provide support for people in need and crisis as well, families in transition.
Their vision of taking care of those with special needs, their work in the autism field especially, has really been a blessing, I think, for this community.
The first thing I think about Glade Run is the diversity of services that we offer, and the continuum of care is built out so that anyone that has any type of mental health issues or educational challenges, we feel like we can serve them in any capacity.
I've been at Glade Run for 13 years, and in that time, the campus and the programming has changed significantly. We have expanded to offer additional programmings. We've opened new offices. We've totally transformed our campus, including this beautiful sensory park and playground that I'm sitting in, as well as developed Jeremiah Village.
We have envisioned for years, how to improve Glade Run's services to the community, how to better utilize our resources. And Jeremiah Village had been conceived and conceptualized several years ago, and through fits and starts it had gotten delayed. But when it finally got off the ground and it was finally dedicated, that was a very proud moment. And it's when we really all felt, I think, as board members, that we had really helped achieve something here for Glade Run and the community.
We wanted to develop an affordable, inclusive community for people with and without disabilities.
What really has impressed me with Glade Run Lutheran Services is it's meeting the needs of our population, providing people opportunity to live independently.
There's a lot the public doesn't know about Glade Run. We have 2 schools. We have one in Utica, we have one here on campus, and we serve probably 40 or 50 school districts. I don't think people realize, the footprint Glade Run covers, but we provide support and services throughout Southwest PA for both youth and adults.
Some of the things we do at Glade Run are really and truly unique. Our sensory park and playground, which is one of the first playgrounds designed specifically to meet the physical, sensory, and socialization needs of kids with autism and their families. We also are home to Glade Run Adventures, which is a therapeutic equine, animal, and horticulture program that provides therapeutic riding, equine-assisted learning and activities, summer camps, and all great activities for kids with autism or other disabilities in need of social skills development.
They've just been really good community partners, and Glade Run has never let us down. They've literally, through all those years, even though the community's changed, the population's changed, the needs have changed, Glade Run has been consistently there and supporting our community.
We have a tremendous staff here. It's one of our biggest assets. My approach was to engage the staff and understand the strengths that they bring to the table and build on those strengths.
We've basically overhauled much of the campus infrastructure. This place looks tremendously different in the last 10 years, 5 years especially. I think we'll continue to see that evolve. That's something we continue to work on here to better serve the communities we support.
It's not just on that campus, it's in Butler City even, where they are able to assist the county with any number of different programs and services that we need to provide here. So their flexibility and their willingness to take on new roles has been great.
We have 2 sites in downtown Butler. The Heritage Building houses our EPIC psychiatric rehabilitation program, as well as psychiatric mobile medication, outpatient, family-based. A lot of programming goes on from that office. But we recently acquired Grace at Calvary Lutheran Church. That is now called the Grace Wellness Center, and we're extremely proud of that area. We've opened a new community monitoring and support program there, and we're looking at new ways that we can expand and really fully utilize that building.
I couldn't be more proud or more honored to be Business Champion of the Year. It means so much to our staff that worked so hard in the last 2 years.
Just wonderful to see what we do for families and children and how we impact the community.
It is our mission to empower individuals to live better lives. We're very excited for the opportunity to do so.